What's up guys, in this video I'll be giving you my review of the Resurrection Remix ROM for the Samsung Galaxy S3 International variant. I'll be providing the files in my video description and also step-by-step instructions how to install it onto your device. This ROM has minute lag here and there, but hey, it's a 2012 phone with the latest version of Android, that is 5.0.2, so we have to somewhat forget the lag and proceed with the experience of the Resurrection ROM on Samsung Galaxy S3. When talked about the battery life is really good, and also with minute tweaks here and there, you will get a day of battery life with heavy usage. So in terms of battery department, this ROM gives great battery life. Customization is the key feature of Resurrection ROM on any device. You will find your Resurrection Tools option in your settings menu, where you will be able to personalize your interface, lock screen, notification drawer, buttons and miscellaneous. In your interface option, you will be able to change your status bar and also your navigation bar. Status bar tweaks include brightness control, notification count, customizing your carrier label, quick pull down, clock and date customization, battery style status and also showing network traffic. Navigation bar option allow us to change the navigation bar dimensions and also rearranging the layout of the navigation buttons. Miscellaneous option allow us to change animation on your phone, where you'll be able to also perform gesture options on your device, like launching an application from any area of the phone by drawing gestures. Enabling app circle bar gives you the freedom to perform multitasking in a very different manner. You will also be able to customize your recent panel, which is the key feature as per my view. Lock screen application allow us to keep application on our lock screen, where you will be able to access that particular application by just tapping and holding, which takes you to the application. Customization of clock widget is also available through your lock screen option. Notification drawer allow us to customize the notification panel, such as showing weather towards the right side of the notification panel, rearranging and adding toggles to your notification drawer, and enabling or disabling to show the brightness control on your notification panel. Buttons option allow us to customize your power button. When just tap and hold, you'll be able to access some of the settings apart from your normal reboot or power off option. You will be also able to control your music playback through your volume up and down, and also you'll be able to tweak your home button in order to pick up calls. Theme engine is available along with this ROM to customize the look of your device. Performance option allow us to save battery life on our device, through which you will be getting the best battery life available. Ambient display is also available on your device along with this ROM. The double tap to sleep option on your status bar is also available. You also have your privacy guard option, where you'll be able to protect your application, and also your blacklist option, where you'll be able to block incoming calls and messages. So guys, this was my review of the Resurrection Remix ROM for the Samsung Galaxy S3 international variant. Hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please do give it a thumbs up, and also do follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and Google+, and also to remain subscribed to my channel for the more Android content that I'll be uploading in the near future. Till then, I'll be seeing you in my next video.